Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to talk about a crucial safety feature in vehicles that has saved countless lives, the airbag. An airbag is a safety device designed to inflate rapidly in the event of a collision, cushioning the impact and reducing the risk of injury or fatality. It's a vital component of modern vehicles, working in conjunction with seatbelts to protect occupants. Here's how it works. When a vehicle is involved in a crash, sensors detect the sudden deceleration and send a signal to the airbag control unit. This unit then triggers the inflation of the airbag, which bursts out of its storage compartment at incredible speed, often in a matter of milliseconds. The inflated airbag provides a cushioning effect, absorbing the impact and distributing the force of the crash more evenly across the occupant's body. This helps to reduce the risk of severe injuries, particularly to the head, neck, and chest. Airbags have become an essential feature in vehicle safety, and their effectiveness has been proven time and time again. They work best when combined with other safety measures, such as seat belts and responsible driving practices. In conclusion, airbags are a vital safety feature that can mean the difference between life and death in the event of a collision. By understanding how they work and appreciating their importance, we can all drive safer and more confidently. Thank you for watching. For more video, please subscribe my channel.